my god. Hi everybody, I look disheveled. I was just editing and I've got a pimple patch on, but this just came in the mail. Who hasn't wanted an Orson Iris top since the beginning of time? I've always had my eye on the classic bustier Orson Iris top. It was literally like $680, like almost $700 for this top. And I've always looked at it. I've had it in my cart before, but like I knew I was never gonna spend that much. I always go on the website and just like look at it. And I went on the website probably like 2 weeks ago, click on it because I know exactly what top I would get. And it was half off. So it was $300 and 170 of those dollars were going to Doctors Against Borders. And they were saying that this was the last batch they're making and then the top is gone. So I bought it. And I can't believe I spent that much money on a top, quite honestly. Like, I'm disgusted, but I've wanted it for so long and I didn't think Orson Iris went on sale. So when it was 50% off and like it was just me randomly looking at it, I was like, okay, this is fate. And then I texted Amanda because I was like, hey, I feel like a crazy person. I just bought an Orson Iris top for this much money. And she was like, wait, it's on sale? So she's the best for like when I have buyer's remorse. She never like makes me feel guilty. She's like, no, that was a really good purchase. Kind of bad too. And she went on the next day to buy it and it was already sold out, so it was fate. Holy guacamole. Season of gifting sale. 50% of your purchase of this Orson Iris original is being donated to Doctors Without Borders. Doctors Without Borders, not Doctors Against Borders. I'm an idiot. 50% of the 50% off went to be donated, so I mean, this is a freaking big ass purchase. You guys, I'm so scared it's not gonna fit because I have boobs. Wow. Oh, it's so gonna fit. It might be big. But then I can get it tailored. That's okay. Let's try it on. Oh shoot, it might be big. I think I have to get it tailored. It's too big. Sizing though? Because like these little things are really, really small. Damn, she's beautiful. I'm gonna need help with the bows. I can't figure out the bows right now because it's hard to do it on myself. I need help. Okay, she is so cute though. Damn. As I just break my camera. It's actually so nice out today. It's sunny and like 50 or 60 degrees out. My hair's still wet. I think Brandon and I are gonna go take Mr. Bean on a WALK in a more fun neighborhood so we can like walk around and look at houses. I showered this morning and I just put on, excuse me, my camera's dying. Sorry guys. I showered this morning and I put on these clothes as like comfy PJ clothes. But I kind of think they're cute. Can you hear my dog chewing a bone? Ernie? Dude, he's going to town. It's disgusting. Speaking of my dog, Ernie, making a lot of noise in this video. Apparently he wants to be featured. So look at my phone case. It says Ernie right on there. Can you tell how much I love my dog? I'm gonna take the bone away for a second. Can I see that? Okay, one sec. Leave it. Because I wanted to say thank you so much to today's sponsor, which is Casetify. You guys already know I love my Casetify phone case. I never don't have one on. I recently just switched this one back on because feeling the Ernie vibes. Casetify's new Impact and Ultra Impact cases are made of 65% recycled and plant-based material. They're also compatible with 5G and wireless charging. Their Chi-Tech 2.0 technology is drop tested approved for up to 9.8 feet. And you guys always hate when I do the drop test because they scare you, but I'm gonna do it again because I haven't done one in a minute. So here's my phone. It works. Dude, that was a bad drop. There it is. Good as new. They come in tons of designs, so you can pick your favorite color or print and match your phone to your style or to fit your mood. You can also add a name and monogram to make it a truly personalized case. I always add Ernie's name. Casetify cases are 100% non-hazardous and non-toxic. They also feature an antimicrobial coating, killing 99.9% of bacteria. So if you guys want a Casetify phone case, you guys already know, I think that these are like the best presents ever. Everybody in my family, my friends, they all have Casetify phone cases. If you guys want to get one and get 15% off your order, go to casetify.com/Lainey or click the link in the description box. I honestly cannot recommend these cases enough. Your phone is expensive and important. Protect it. I wanted to come on here and say that I have not vlogged in 2 days. And the reason is I look like this 99.9% of my day. I have a big bird pimple patch on my forehead. And my room's a disaster because I just finished filming and I need to start filming again, so I don't want to clean it. And I'm just embarrassed to put this on the internet. But I'm letting you guys know right now. I'm going to show you once and I'm never going to show you again. Bye. I just filmed a video and I really think my vlogs are just going to consist of me picking out outfits with you guys, but I think that's kind of fun. And then I forgot I was doing that. So this is what we've got on right now. I just filmed a video for a Gap sponsorship, which is so cool. I can't believe that happened. But I'm wearing the Gap jeans that you guys have seen me wear a few times now. And then these little slippers are from Gap. They're so cute and I haven't stopped wearing them. And I want to wear them outside. I don't think I should because it's snowy outside. I need to change my shoes and put socks on. Let's do that. We're gonna put on my New Balance 550s because that's what I always wear. Or should I do those or just my Uggies? Because they're so warm. Do Uggs look good with these jeans? Is that even a question? I think they look good. I'm just gonna do Uggs because they're cozier. And then because we just did a Gap sponsorship, I'm wearing my Gap jeans. I want to wear the new Gap bomber jacket I got. Come on, friend. This jacket's so cute. It's fleece lined. And then let me show you this hack I just saw. But I don't know if they thought it was a hack. You've got your hood up. And then just put your scarf over it. It kind of looks like a balaclava. So if you don't want to buy a balaclava yet, I totally get it. Or you don't want to buy one in general, you can kind of get the look for less. And that's my hack of the day. I love being a hack. This is my outfit for wearing Ernie, or what? This is my outfit for taking Ernie to training. See you probably tomorrow. Let's be real.